Welcome to 8 Quanta Library Content. In this video, we will discuss how to create vendor in NetSuite. Navigate to Lists, Relationships, Vendor, click New. Select your preferred custom form. Under Type, you can choose either company or individual. The key difference is that if you select individual, you will be required to enter the individual's name. For this video, let's select individual. Enter the first and last name of the vendor. Next, add the company name. Enter an email address for the vendor. Next is to add a phone number. Select the primary subsidiary for the vendor. You have the option to add any other information as needed. Once done, click the Save button. Make sure all other information is entered correctly. And that's how you create a vendor in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.